So just kind of giving you a ballpark of some of the applications that are out there that you can get for Linux. Replacement for Office, there's OpenOffice, and OpenOffice again comes with a word processor called Write. There's a spreadsheet called Calc, a presentation software package called Impress. There's a database that's basically the same thing as Access called Base, and then there's a drawing program called Draw. So all that's included in OpenOffice. So you have a word processor, spreadsheet, database, presentation application. There's a drawing program, and there's even I think something very similar to Solver that comes with it. So that's all part of OpenOffice. Absolutely free. Should most of the time comes pre-installed with your distribution of Linux. There's Evolution for Outlook, and that supports POP email, IMAP, what we call LDAP, which is a lightweight directory. There's CalDev, which is a open source and standard way of doing things with calendaring and that sort of thing. And then there is a connector for Exchange, so you can use it for Exchange calendars, contacts, email, and so forth. There is a open source accounting application. I believe it's called GNU GNU Cache. Very similar to Quicken and how it works. Can read and import your Quicken files, QIF files, I think OFX files or QFX files can be brought into it. And I think there's even a more, I think there's two versions of it, and one is going to be more of like QuickBooks versus Quicken. There's a replacement for Publisher. If you you can use Microsoft Publisher, there's a program called Scribus. It kind of does the same exact thing. For instant messaging, there is a product called Pigeon, which Pigeon allows you to use different protocols, instant messaging protocols. That's AOL, what they call AIM, America Online Instant Messaging. There's ICQ, Google, MSN, and Yahoo. All those are covered with Pigeon. Great utilities. I happen to be a big fan of Nero. Some people can't stand it. I happen to like it, but Nero 8 is fairly expensive on XP. Well, Linux has a free version of Nero, but it's called K3B. You can author, create, burn DVDs, DVDs, CDs, etc. All that. It's very functionally equivalent to Nero version 8. So we're talking about saving a whole lot of money, prolonging the life of existing hardware, and you don't have to cough up these fees to Microsoft